Dil Bechara created history. It was watched by 95 million people. Due to lockdown, it was released on OTT platform. Just imagine if it was released in multiplexes. People would have gone with same emotion and number. If we take an average ticket price of rupees 200, it would have earned a massive 2000 crore. But where does all these 2000 crore would have gone to? To the Bollywood. The same Bollywood that mocked, insulted and boycotted Sushant Singh Rajput. The same Bollywood that never recognized his talent and always played down his achievements. The same Bollywood that tried to sabotage his career and character while he was alive and portrayed him as depressed failure maniac after his death. In a way, we would have made same Bollywood even more stronger. The same Bollywood against which we were supposed to stand up and bring it down. Do not commit this mistake again. Do not give them power anymore. Stop splurging your hard-earned money on these monsters. They thrive on our money and they are using the same money against us. For 30 straight days, Sushant's death was ignored by all powerful people. No politician, no actor, no corporate, no media uttered even single word for Sushant. Bollywood bought everyone to push the suicide theory. Bollywood exploits our emotion to earn money. They exploit patriotism to earn money. They exploit love to earn money. They exploit relationships to earn money. Feminism, terrorism, history, mythology, you name it, they have it for you, only for money. Even if you decide to hang Bollywood, they will sell you the rope. They are blinded by money. They have sold their soul for money. These monsters need to be dealt once and for all. Stop watching Bollywood movies. They are nothing without us. We made them what they are and now we'll destroy them. They didn't kill Sushant Singh Rajput. They made an example out of him so that no other small town guy can ever dare to dream big again. Burn down this Bollywood. Doesn't matter what. Don't let them make another Sushant Singh Rajput.